Hello everybody, I'm Jackie Latimer. I look forward to seeing you at the NHPC conference in Edmonton this June. I'll be sharing the art and science of face reading for assessment. A bit of an unusual topic. It is truly fascinating though. Our body is beautiful and brilliant, and it's encoded with many different holographic maps that help us to understand ourselves and others. A holographic map is where we can see the whole of the body in a part, like in the foot, reflexology, or we can see the whole of the body in the hand, in the iris, in the ear. We can also see it on the face. I'll be discussing the art and science of face reading for assessment, and we can see how to observe all the different organs of the body on the face. Actually, I have a face reading chart where it can help you to understand where to see. If you have blood sugar issues, if your neck is out, if you might have heart tendencies, digestive challenges, dehydrated, it's truly amazing all that the face can reveal. We'll also discuss some fundamentals of the personality and character of a person by observing the features of their face. What does it mean when somebody has a really large forehead or a large jaw or nose? All of this gives you insight and understanding how to relate and connect with yourself and others. It's truly fascinating and fun, and I look forward to sharing face reading with you.